Okay. Bye, Mika. Have fun on the weekend. We will see you. All right. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna try to get the right angle I want. Thank you, Lily. And simply just pull that like strips. If you like sword nails a lot and you don't want to like worry about drawing every single line, this is gonna be the bomb.com. You can keep this one for the next nail or whatever. I don't want to simply doing it next nail on this one. Right there. Because we're going to do some cute crystal on it too. So this is just give it a cool background. I'm going to trim it off. Using the really cool and sharp Antiques looks scissors. So this one, it looks really good. I'm going to trim it right there.
So that's the girl. She said was already complete yesterday, so she did have no white top coat on top, and now it's just stickers, so they got already back glue, so you can just simply put them on.
The pre-adhesive?
Yes.
Yes, I did top coat on yesterday. Yep, so now we're gonna do, I just using this like weaver strips. Really easy, simple. Oh, it knocks everything off. So what I'm gonna do is condensed glue gels. Again, it's really thick density. I'm going to the new jars now because my old ones is finished. I'm in the previous one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels. Really good coat, not too thin, not too thick. And then I am go ahead and use the no wipe top coat. So if you ask me one item that you are getting for a perfect crystal placement, the crystal trifecta, it has everything in there for you to need, like everything there for you that need to do your perfect crystal placement, charm placement, anything else, lasts up to 4 to 6 weeks. All right, so I am a go ahead and using, you can use any, like this is just so cute, and this one also cute too, you know. I'm using this one if you want to match. If you don't match, you can do this one and that one, it doesn't matter. But I want to show you how I do this one the same with this, okay? I'm going to place it right there. Oh, nice. It's covered my strip, but I like it. Okay, I move it up a little bit. It's go like curve right into my nails. See that? It's 100% hands crafted. All right. So I'm going to add some crystal on. And some beads on, of course. And on this side, I'm gonna tilt this one. Can you see it on the other side?
Yes.
I'm gonna add some crystal right here. Some beads right there. as well. Just on the edges. The best thing about condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat is not going to cure until you are going to it's not going to dry until you cure it. So you have plenty of time for you to work with the products, with adjusting the designs that you are going to before you are going to cure. All right. Great, because that is wrapped really tight with my nails. Hold on, let me move this.